Hello guys, welcome to Maths with Educarte. And in today's video, we will start with a part 2 of exercise 3.1. In the previous video, I have done the part 1 of this exercise in which I have done the first 3 questions. Now, I'll do the last 3 questions of this exercise. Now, our first question of this video, of this part 2 is, half the perimeter of rectangular garden whose length is 4 more than width. So what we have to go, what we have got to know? Let length be L, comma width be B. Now it has been given to us that length is 4 more than width. So L equals to B plus 4. Now if you shift this B this side, so it will be L minus B equal to 4. And also we know that 2L plus B equal to perimeter upon 2, which is half, is given to us 36. So L plus B is 36, L minus B is 4. So when we add them by the elimination method, it will become 2L equal to 40. So L equals to 20 meters. Now length is 20 meter. We have got to know that L is 20. Now we put L in any of these equations. So 20 equals to B plus 4. So B equals to 16. We have got the value of B. I hope you have got to understand this. So the dimensions are length equals to 20 meter and breadth equals to 16 meters. So dimensions are L equals to 20 meter, breadth equals to 16 meter. Now we will come to our second question from this video. Now in this next question, one of the equations from the pair of linear equations in two variables have been given to us, and we have to find out the second equation in such a way that first one has intersecting lines on the graph, means unique solution. Second one has parallel lines, means no solution. And third one has coincident lines, means infinitely many solutions. So firstly, for unique solution, we'll make an equation in which a1 by a2 not equals to b1 upon b2. So we'll do 3x minus 2y equal to 5. Now if you do this, 2 by 3 not equals to minus 3 by 2. Yes. Now in no solution, we have to make in such a way that a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 but not equals to c1 upon c. So we'll write just the triple, means 6x plus 3y into 3 is 9y equal to, like here is 8. So we'll write 8 3 is 24, but we'll add one more, means 25. That too of negative. Now if you equate it, so a1 by 2 means 2x upon 2 by 6 is equals to 3 by 9. Yes, 1 by 3 equals to 1 by 3. But now 8 upon minus 25, which is not equal to 1 by 3, means it will be a different thing. Now infinitely many, we'll just multiply this equation sorry, with a specific number. So what we'll do, we'll multiply it with 2. 4x plus 3 into 2 is 6y minus 8 means minus 16 equal to 0. Multiplied whole thing with 2. Now when we solve it, we'll get the answer as infinitely many solution, means coincident line. I hope this is clear, or either you can write any of these different also. These were just an example, and there are infinitely many numbers of equations which you can make using them. I hope this is clear. Now we'll come to our last question from this exercise and of this video too. Now we will come to our last question. Here it is given to us that we have to find out the solution of these equations graphically. Let me read the question. Draw the graphs of the equations, this one and that one. Determine the coordinates of the vertices of a triangle formed by these lines and the x-axis and shade the triangular region. So we have to find out the vertices of the coordinates of the vertices of the triangles formed by these lines. Okay. Okay, so let's make the line first. So this is the equation 1. Equation 1. Now in the equation 1, x equals to, so x and y firstly we'll make two columns and then we'll find out any two random solutions. Okay, so firstly the x, we put the value of y. Y is 1. So 1 plus 1 is, so x will be 2. Let this be 0, so this will be 1. Now in the second equation, 2 x y. Now in the second equation we'll put the value of y. So 2y, 12 minus 2y means 12 minus firstly 0 upon 3, it will be 4. Now we put 1. So 12 minus 2 is 10. So let it be like we'll put 2. So 4. So it will remain 8. So when we put 8 over here, like 12 minus 4 is 8 and 8 by 3. So firstly we'll try to get a simple number. We'll put the value of x right now. Let's put the value of x as 0. So we'll get a random value of this also. Because we have to try a value of x and y such that the numbers are positive, like not in terminating or repeating and not in terminating also. Real natural number, basically natural number or whole number or integer you can say. So here if we put 0, so 2y will be 12, means y will be 6. Okay. Now when we like make the lines of these, so firstly we have to mark these points 2 comma 1, 2 comma 1 over here, and 1 comma 0, 1 comma 0 means over here. Now we make this line. Now this one 4 comma 0 from the different markers, 4 comma 0 which is here, and second one is 0 comma 6 means 0 comma 6 means this one. So when we join this, it becomes this. Now we have to make the find out the triangle. When we join it, we get this triangle. So if you see correctly, if you see like focused, then you will get to know that the vertices of this triangle are 3 comma 2. 3 comma 2. Over here it is firstly here 1 comma 0, and over here it is 4 comma 0. Okay. 1 comma 0, 3 comma 2 and 4 comma 0. And we had to shade the triangle, so we have shaded also. I hope this is clear, and that's how you solve any equation graphically. Now in the next video, we'll start with the next topic. I mean next exercise. Till then, bye bye.